Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create a customized large language models using publicly available models. And for this video, we are going to use Ollama. So if you don't have this application installed on your system, you can go to this link and download the application and install it. Once the installation is done, you can start the application. So once the application is started, you will see this screen. That means your application is running. Next, open a terminal. And here you can write Ollama. So if you can see this response, that means Ollama is running successfully. Now what we are going to do is, in order to create a customized model, we need to have those publicly available model in our system. So what you need to do, you need to run Ollama pull, and here you need to specify the name of model. So you can specify Llama 2, Phi 3 or Mistral. So depending on your preference, you can pull the model. So in my case, I have already done that step. And in order to see which models are available in the system, you can run the command Ollama list. So right now you can see I have two models, Phi 3 and Llama 2. Now we will move to the step to create a new customized model. And for that, I'm going to use Phi 3. So the first step to create a new customized model is to create a model file. Now, instead of creating that model file from scratch, we are going to utilize model file from Phi 3. So in order to see a model file for Phi 3, we ran the command Ollama show Phi 3 -- model file. So this is the model file used by Phi 3, and we are going to use this model file. So now what we will do, we will save the content of this model file in a new file. So let me go to a directory I have already created to save this model file. I will run this command Ollama show Phi to show the model file, and now this time I will redirect the output to a file with a file name new.model file. So now if I open that directory, I would be able to see that there is a new file. Now we will edit this file. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to remove this from command. So this line number 5, we will remove the content and we will uncomment this line. So it is specified that our model is built from Phi 3. Next, this part is specifying the template. So we don't need to touch it. There are some parameters you can specify, like temperature while running the model, and other parameters as well. You can check all those parameters on the link given in the description of this video. Now, in order to customize the behavior of our model, we are going to provide some messages. So let's say I want to create a model for math tutoring. So first I'm specifying your name is math tutor, your task. So the goal of this model is to help user to solve math problem. So we have specified that don't provide answer directly to the user question. Okay, so in this system, we can specify all these behavior, what we expect from the model. And in addition to that, you can also specify a chat history. So it will look like message, and then you have to specify the messages for user or for the model. So let's say user is asking, what is your name? Or let's say instead of this, if user is asking solve 2 minus 1, and then next message we want model to reply. So you can specify all the chat history, and then the model will adapt its behavior according to this chat history as well. Now we will save this file, and now we will create our new model. So we will move back to the terminal, and let me clear the terminal. So now the command we need to run is Ollama create. Here we can specify our name for the new model. Let's say math tutor. And then we need to specify the model file, which will be used to create this new model. So the model file is present in the same directory. Okay, so our model is now created. Let's see whether it's now available in list. So as you can see, the new model is now available. We will now run it. So let's ask the name. So as you can see, the chat history we have provided, the chat history, this message already provided in the beginning, and then we ask the name, and the model is replying to this question as well as to the first one. And as you can see, our problem, instead of providing the solution, it's providing instructions. So this is a very simple example. You can provide more detailed instruction to your model, and you can customize as per your requirements. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching.